Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix invalid phone number on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then you come to next window here and you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window, then you just go down here to looking for WeChat app, you just go down here, then you click here on WeChat, then it's going to take you to next window, then you just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, then you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window, just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to your Play Store, so you will click here on your Play Store, then you search for WeChat and it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, you will click on update and it's going to fix your problem. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.